The firearms on this list range from those with a 5-inch barrel to those equipped with Picatinny rails for mounting lights or lasers. Furthermore, we shall discuss a customized 11x9 that is available for a mere $1,498. Unwind as you explore the top 19.8 pistols of 2024, culminating in an option that will literally steal your breath. Springfield Armory Mil-Spec. Springfield Armory manufactures exceptional firearms, notwithstanding the perception of some that the company could reduce the amount of branding on them. The Mil-Spec is a magnificent firearm featuring a 5-inch barrel and is offered in either a Parker size or stainless steel finish. It bears no additional logo. Similar to the 1911A1, the Mil-Spec features a lining-adored mainspring housing with an arch shape to enhance traction. There is an absence of a checkered pattern on the front strap. The finish appears to be properly executed as there is no additional debris or burrs on the slide or frame that could cause hang-ups. The fit is impeccable. Springfield's selection of 19 and 11th grade items features grip compounds that adhere to the skin like Velcro if you're looking for something genuinely unique. Although the pistol in question is excellent, the following is not worth the investment. Springfield Garrison. Springfield's Garrison, a contemporary addition to their collection, has rapidly positioned itself as one of the most cost-effective 1911s currently available in the market. However, how did they succeed? The Garrison features a 5-inch match-grade barrel, low-profile 3-dot sights, checkering on the backstrap, an exceptional trigger, and a stainless or spectacular hot salt blue finish. The 5-inch barrel is hammer-forged, match-grade stainless steel featuring a conventional bushing system and a 1-to-16-inch twist. One feels as though they are taking up a 1,519.11 when they pick up a Garrison, as opposed to a $750 one. There are 9mm and 45 ACP varieties available. This is the one if you are looking for an aesthetically pleasing pistol that also has respectable firing capabilities without breaking the bank. That is indeed lovely, but the following one is an absolute wreck. Rock Island Armory 1911. If you are looking for a reasonably authentic recreation of the original Generation X, Rock Island is your best bet. The medium is the original Commander size. If one has a limited budget but desires a 1911, the GI is a viable option to consider. Furthermore, due to the fact that it is a GI variant, it features GI sights. Simple to draw and low profile, but not of the highest quality. There are numerous alternatives available for their replacement thereafter. If you are in search of a more tactical option, they carry a variety of affordable alternative models. This is the most visited category of firearms. Individuals accumulate funds gradually with the intention of acquiring a pistol that is both labor-free and capable of being customized to resemble a work of art. Although lacking in perfection and historical accuracy, their price and features position them as the most affordable alternative to a vintage 1911 currently available. What an incredible weapon! However, how about a Kimber pistol for the following? Kimber Warrior. A firearm bearing the designations warrior or tactical evokes the unsettling impression that the marketing guys went a little too far. On this particular occasion, Kimber's reputation is justified. This particular 1911 was utilized by Sean during his many years as a constable sheriff. It is not merely a weapon that could be used for duty. As with many other 1911 pistols, the Kimber Warrior nevertheless demands a consistent supply of ammunition and magazines. What distinguishes it from other entities? The extended safety, beaver tail, slide serrations, and sweeping lines all shout practicality, while the silver trigger, skeletonized hammer, and barrel complement the surrounding black for an overall sophisticated, possibly urbane appearance. Simply and marvelously fantastic. This one, however, is lethal. Colt Delta Elite 10mm. If you prefer the 10mm cartridge for self-defense, reside in an area where four-legged creatures are a concern, or appreciate hunting with a pistol, Colt's newly updated Delta Elite may be the firearm for you. The Colt Delta Elite is a model from the Series 80. What is the implication? The Delta Elite is equipped with a firing pin lock in addition to manual safety features including the grip safety and slide stop. and automated safety features including the disconnector, hammer safety stop, and inertia firing pin. In order for the firing pin to advance, the trigger must be released. For semi-automatic weapons, the majority of alternative self-defense cartridges outperform the legendary 10mm. Although it incurs higher shooting costs, it offers considerable versatility when one reloads its ammunition. Please be aware that if the discharge of a 45 ACP or 40 S&W firearm irritates you, you should avoid 10mm ammunition because it is even more brittle. A Delta Elite equipped with a Picatinny rail for attaching a light or laser below the 5-inch barrel is available for an additional $200. Given that a Colt has been included in this compilation, it is inconceivable to omit Smith & Wesson. You predicted it correctly. I present Smith & Wesson SW1911 SCE series. The 4.25-inch Commander S&W 1920 E-Series is a noteworthy option for individuals in search of a mid-size carry firearm. The E-Series 1911s feature a scandium alloy frame as opposed to the standard steel or aluminum frame. A small diamond engraved with the letter E adorns the gun's rosewood handles, which features the same fish scale patterns as the slide. This addition serves to indicate that the firearm is an enhanced 1903-1911. We are all fond of skeletonized light-duty occupations such as the trigger and hammer. The hammer settles snugly into the beaver tail when cocked, and the trigger draw is 4.9 pounds with a take-up of 0.0125 and a clean, crisp break. Tritium night sights, front and rear slide serrations resembling fish scales, checkered front and back straps, an ambidextrous thumb safety, and a tapered butt for increased concealability are additional advantageous qualities. The Commander length barrel and these qualities combine to make this one of the most recommended options for those who take carrying a 1911 seriously on a daily basis. They are priced at approximately $1,500 by Smith & Wesson, which corresponds to a street price of $1,250. Exactly what other firearms do you require in your possession? This one is precisely this. Dan Wesson Vigil. Despite being the entry-level 1911 from Dan Wesson, the Vigil remains vastly preferable to virtually every other option within the same price range. In the realm of 1911, Dan Wesson is renowned for manufacturing some of the finest standard pistols available without the exorbitant price tag associated with a genuine custom firearm. 25 lines per inch are cheated into the mainspring enclosure, which is topped with a classic grip safety that fits snugly. In order to reduce its weight, the hammer has undergone skeletonization. Additionally, the textured stocks and checkered MSH of the front strap contribute to the handgun's secure grasp during recoil. The Vigil has demonstrated its reliability and accuracy. You have options if the full-size .45 auto is not your liking. The Vigil is also offered in 9mm Luger and Commander sizes. What follows is simply OMG. Wilson Combat CQB. If you are financially capable and desire the finest, opt for the Wilson CQB Tactical LE. Wilson Combat is widely recognized for its superior quality of 1911 components and 11s. The CQB is a full-size 1911A1 with a frame and slide constructed of carbon steel for increased strength and durability. Although an aluminum frame with an accessory rail and an accessory rail are also options, the all-steel CQB is Wilson Combat's best-selling model and standard. Many individuals who desire high-quality magazines or wish to improve their firearms turn to Wilson. A modification to the barrel and bushing attachment is no longer present in the barrel extension beyond the bushing. The fiber optic rod, which has also gained popularity as a side option in recent years, is affixed to the front blade, allowing you to utilize the light channeling benefit to improve your accuracy. Resin enhancement have also been applied to the frame. Although the 1911 is a game changer, the following firearm is marginally more effective. Vickers Tactical Masterclass 1911. Presented by Wilson Combat Larry Vickers, a Springfield Armory is this formidable firearm. Undoubtedly, the Vickers Masterclass is a firearm designed with one goal in mind: Modernized and refined for combat, the firearm has been upgraded from the sights to the trigger and beyond. This gun's combat-oriented characteristics distinguishes it from the standard 1911. Although Wilson Combat includes a number of enhancements that the majority of purchasers must add after purchasing a firearm, this model includes them as standard equipment. We are ecstatic that the trigger, striker, and other features have been upgraded beyond what is typically included. The sights, which include a Vickers Elite blacked-out rear sight and a high-visibility day and night sight in the front, are among the more impressive enhancements. They are easy to obtain and fast to aim. Considering your willingness to invest this much money, this item ought to be at the top of your shortlist. Roll the drums, sir. Now, at the outset, we have Les Baer Premier. If you're in the market for a genuine 1911 of the highest quality, the Les Baer Premier 2 could be it. With decades of experience in the realm of 1911, Les Baer is widely recognized as one of the prominent handgun manufacturers. The Premier 2 is not an exception. The Premier 2 was merely the ultimate master with the additional features removed. It featured the identical hard-fit slide, frame, and barrel treatment, adjustable sights featuring a serrated rear blade positioned in a concealed leaf cut, a blue steel finish, ambidextrous safety levers, and speed trigger, and a front strap adorned with hand-cut 30 LPI checkering. The cost of Les Baer Premier 2 is $1,498. The Premier 2, which is priced at the lower end of the custom 1911 price spectrum, is hard-fitting, has adjustable sights with the rear set in a hidden leaf cut, a checkered front strap, front and rear sliding cocking serrations, and excellent feed reliability. Additionally, it possesses fine accuracy and good looks. We consider that to be a winning combination. The 1911 pistol is an aesthetically pleasing firearm that has rich history spanning more than a century. This should assist those who are new to the game in determining which one to incorporate into their collection. Which firearm was your favorite on the list? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Additionally, subscribe to see more.